I haven't vlogged today.
Sorry?
I haven't vlogged today. I wanted them to see this. Parang kapag nagbo-blow ako, parang merong smoke. Pero hindi nyo makita sa camera. It's raining. It's been raining all day, you guys. Walang good morning. Good afternoon na kasi. Good afternoon. As you guys can see, parang merong nagpupool na tubig. Hindi naman siya ganun kalala. Pero sabi niya, it's not supposed to be like that. What are we gonna do?
Yeah. Yeah.
I shoulda, woulda, coulda. Merong bagong song sa Trisha. Parang siya yung nag-compose ng kantang yun. And then, I've been singing it. Tapos may tumawag sa kanya. Tapos ang lakas ng boses ko. Sabi ko, I shoulda, woulda, coulda. Buti na lang, friend niya lang. Let's go! Come here! Let's go!
I left keys in the letterbox today, so just leave it.
I'm gonna wear... Can I wear your slippers?
Okay, really well.
Yeah, because I'm not gonna
Don't worry about something
take these outside. Let's go! Oh, look at my socks. Did you check the mail today?
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing. Oh, by the way, my battery. I haven't told you guys yet, but my battery, they didn't send it. They did. They tried, but nahold siya sa customs because parang may, I don't know. Pero yung parang na-banned yung battery, I don't know. Pero yeah, i-refund nila yung pera ko. We will just get food. I was planning to cook chicken with the sweet potatoes, but we feel like getting Asian, Chinese, whatever. Yummers. So we will do that. We will get our food. It's like 15 minutes away, right? Yup. People said I'm overdoing my English when I talk to you.
Nah, that's how you normally talk.
Did you hear that? That's how I talk.
That's how she normally talks.
That's how I talk.
Leave her alone.
Leave me alone. And they're like, you're overdoing it. Your accent. We're here. Diyan kami umorder. Chef Dong Chinese restaurant. Katabi ng Domino's. And look at my slippers. Huge ass slippers. Walang tao dito. Meron silang ganito, oh. Meron silang mga private room. Ganon. Walang tao. Kami lang tao dito. So, okay lang yung suot ko. Eh. And then, ito yung malaking table na lang. Ganda, no? Ang ganda ng flowers. Nice. Yum! What is this? Ooh, that looks like my chicken. I think that's the... Or I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, okay. So that's my chicken. I don't know, babe. That should be the sauce for the sweet and sour pork. Fried rice. And looks like this is my chicken. I got crispy honey chicken. Oh, hello. Okay, that's it. Boring. Mine is boring. Yours is way better. But it's good. Kain tayo. He's using the... Can you show the cream, babe? He's using the Love Me cream that I got from Magic Potions. I don't really use this yet because I still have a cream that I need to finish. But he's using it. What do you think?
It's good. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. That's cool, huh? How you get the product out from the packaging. Do you feel young and pretty?
I feel 21.
This has like anti-aging and for stretch marks and all that ish. Oh my gosh, the lighting here though.
Good.
Yeah, it's amazing. Wow, I need to take a picture of this, babe. We're in bed. We're gonna play cards. This is the Italian cards, you guys. Oops, I just saw this. I already distributed 3 for me and then 3 for you. I do not know what this card is. I mean, what this game is called, but...
Scopa.
Scopa. Oh my gosh, the lighting here. Oh my gosh, I think I can film like this. No, not really. Like that. Oh, I like the lighting, babe. Seriously, look at... Good morning, guys! Nag-edit ako ng vlog. Tapos, while hinintay ko na mag-load lahat ng videos ko, lahat ng clips, I decided to watch GGV. Tapos, nakita ko to. And ito yung parang ad. Parang naglagay siya ng ad para sa sarili niya. He's looking for a girlfriend. I will show you kasi it's really interesting. So, ito yung ad niya. I'm looking for a girlfriend. I-click ko, ha? Oops. Nawala yung ano ko. Anyway, gumawa talaga siya ng ad para sa sarili niya kasi naghahanap siya ng girlfriend. Nakita na namin to ni Dan eh. Actually, si Dan yung nagpakita sa akin. Parang meron talagang tao na gumawa ng ad at nagbayad para to put it out there. Like, you know, nandito siya sa website na to. Oh. As in, nandito siya sa website na to. Tapos nandun din siya sa mga chinecheck ni Dan. So, parang you know, ang laki kaya ng bayad niyan, diba? Kapag nilagay mo yan dyan. So, yun. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-share. Naghahanap siya ng 20 to 30 years old daw. Sabi niya, I'm attractive, friendly, successful, and have a good sense of humor. I'm hoping to find someone who hasn't had a serious partner before like myself. Aww. Hi guys! Nakahat pa talaga ako. Mag-film na sana ako ng video kaya lang nagutom ako. So I'm gonna eat. I have here my lunch. Ito yung sweet and sour pork, yung leftover namin kagabi. And then fried rice. Yummers! Kain tayo! Hi guys! Today I received a package from Lorena. You guys, I wasn't expecting this. She messaged me a few days ago. She told me she will send me nail polish and nail polish. This is not just a freaking nail polish. This is a whole package. She has a note right here. Sabi niya, pwede ka na gawa ng haul nito. Thank you so much, Lorena. Meron siyang channel. I will leave her channel link below. Pilipina din siya. She lives here in Australia. And yeah, she sent me this. I was gonna open this earlier nang na-receive ko siya, but my battery was charging. Tapos sabi din ni Dan, you need to film it like, you know, na kaka-open mo pa lang para makita talaga yung reaction. So, yes, it's huge. My goodness, I wasn't expecting it at all. You didn't really have to do this. You're so nice. Thank you so much. Anyway, oh, hala, babe. Is that a freaking dress?
No, there's stuff wrapped inside. Let's have a look.
You want to say hi? Hello. Come here.
I'll stand to you. It's fine.
Oh my gosh, it's a free. Oh!
Cool.
What is
Right.
What is it?
It's like a onesie.
No, is
Oh,
it?
yeah, but like,
No, but like a fancy onesie. It's not like, yeah, it's, what do you call that? Oh my gosh, I see makeup. Pero what do you call this? Overall, jumpsuit.
yeah, jumpsuit.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that fits me. It actually fits me. Thank you. This is from the kids section. Aw, thanks. Wait, what? It says on the note, I got 18 shades of this brand except. Oh, okay. She gave me like notes in here. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. My goodness. Oh, wait. First thing in here is this Mode Pressed Powder. Thank you. What shade is this? Looks like it is my shade. So thank you so much. That's really sweet of you. Salamat. And then I have more in here. Oh, a lip liner just fell. Oh, a lip liner. Na-full yung memory card ko. But she got me this Australis retractable lip liner. I haven't tried Australis brand at all. Kahit na nandito na ako. I've been here for what, 2 months now? I haven't really tried because I didn't want to spend money on makeup that I'm not sure if I'm gonna like. So, thank you so much for sending this. Let me open it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, nice shade. Meron ako mga swatch dito eh kasi I filmed my monthly favorites today. Ooh, that is really creamy. Looks like that. My gosh, I'm excited. Thank you. And then there's more, you guys. That's not it. Meron dito from Australis again. This one is What are you? Lip pencil. It's a nude shade. Nice. Ayaw niyo mag-focus, pero yan. Maganda siya. I like it. It reminds me of the soft berry from Essence. Thank you. And then there's more in here. My gosh, why did you send me a lot of makeup? This is crazy. Oh my gosh, ang daming nail polishes, you guys. She gave me nail art. Looks like this. I don't have any. I mean, I used to have some. I never really like used them. I mean, I think I have. As in, sobrang tagal na. Pero I will try that out. We'll see. Nail wrap. And then these are the nail polishes. Ang dami, sobra. Oh, it's from Sinful Colors. We went to Kmart a few days ago and Sinful Colors was on sale, pero I still didn't get any. Because it needs to be 50 cents for me to get it, or $1. It was $2, so I didn't get any. But she gave me, how many? My gosh! Why so dami? She said she has 18 shades of this brand. You must really love this brand then. I have never tried Sinful Colors before, so thank you. And then sa nail sticker naman, she said, I love nail stickers. The cutest nail sticker design I got. Don't worry, I have 3 sets of this, so I give you one. Ito pala, sabi niya, favorite niya dito. Let's dig in sa mga nail polishes na binigay mo. Grabe naman, bongga ka naman. Lahat ng to, Sinful Colors. This one, so she gave me this one. This is Cloud 9. And then this one, I really like this color. Ito yung mga bet ko na color eh. This is in the shade Rendezvous. Rendezvous. I don't know. I do not know if I pronounced that right, but whatever. And then this one says Feeling Great. Oh my gosh, ang dami ko ng nail polishes. And oh, this one. So it says there it's textured. This one is in the shade Rain Rubber. And then this one is in the shade Bright what? Lucite? Bright Lucite? I don't know. No, I'm not gonna try and pronounce that because I do not know how to do that. Skylark, this one. Ooh, I like this shade as well. This is the shade Skylark. She gave me 6 nail polishes. Yeah, 6. Thank you so much. This is a lot. You did not have to do this at all. That's so sweet of you. I'm gonna try this on and I'm gonna show you guys what it will look like. Which shade is your favorite? That one? You like that one?
I like that one.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
Yeah, it's cool. Nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
Now it's done.
This is what it looks like. It fits me. Like, look at this. Excuse the socks.
Do a spin, babe.
Hey.
Do a spin. Woo!
I cooked munggo, you guys. Munggo na naman. Pero this time wala siyang shrimp. So, puro ano lang siya. Chicken. Tapos nilagyan ko din siya ng talong. And then spinach. And then yeah, munggo. So, yun. Yung rice cooking pa. So, yeah. Di pa siya gutom eh. Kumain siya ng pasta kanina. So, mamaya na kami kakain. But ready na yon. Hello. I have on this dermal acai berry mask. First time ko gamitin tong ganitong mask. Sa mga nagtatanong pala kung ilang beses ako nagmamask, once to twice a week. Minsan, sobrang minsan lang, 3 times a week. Pero, yeah, it's usually once or twice. I'm gonna paint my nails. Ni-remove ko na yung nail polishes ko kanina. I'm just gonna apply this cucumber and aloe hand and nail cream before ko i-paint yung nails ko. Gagamitin ko yung Sinful Colors na binigay sa akin ni Lorena. Thank you, Lorena. This is in the shade Bright Lucite. I do not know how to pronounce that. Lucite. But it's this really nice baby blue color. Kakain na ako. I will have the ginisang munggo. I'm watching Tati's video. Yung hot na ano daw highlighter. Di pa kakain si Dan. Ayaw pa niyang kumain. Busog na daw siya. Busog pa daw siya. Babe. Busog pa daw siya. Kumain kasi siya ng pasta kanina. Tapos ako gutom na ako. 8 na. So kakain na ako. Bahala siya.